Hey students, teacher Corey here, English Tiger. Win versus beat. Did you beat that person or did you win that person? What's the difference? These two words are mixed up a lot. I see it with many of my students. They confuse win and beat. So today we're going to go over the differences and when you should use win, when you should use beat. So let's get started. We use win, or its past tense won, when we talk about the game or the challenge that you took on. Example, I won the football match. The football match is what you're talking about. That's the game. You won the match. You didn't beat the football match. You won it. His favorite fighter won the championship. The championship is the challenge. That's the reward. That's the thing he won. He won the championship. He beat his opponent, but he won the championship. She will win the race. The race, like a game or a sport, that's the thing she won. So we use win or won when you're talking about the game, the challenge, or the sport. That's the thing you will win, or in the past tense, that's the thing you won. We use beat to talk about the person or the challenger that you did better than. Liverpool beat Man U in the football match. Talking about the one team beating the other team. He beat his challenger, beat his opponent. You didn't win your opponent. You won the football match, but you beat your opponent. Michael Bisping beat Luke Rockhold for the title. Rockhold is the person he's fighting, so he beat Rockhold. He won the title, but he beat Rockhold. She beat all the other racers. We use beat in this one because all the other racers are her challengers. She won the race. She beat the racers. So that's the difference there. We're using beat when you're beating the person, when you're talking about the person. Won when you're talking about the thing. We would never say, I won you in chess yesterday, or he won him at football. I beat the championship. I beat the football match. These are all incorrect. They are using the wrong word. So your challenge, can you fix all these sentences right here? Make them correct. Put the right word in there. And that's about it. That's the difference between win and beat. I hope that's clear for you. Let me know any questions you have below. Leave a comment, any other words you're confused about you want me to go over. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.